Yeah, so hello to my TT. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So yeah, before I start, guys, today's video I'm going to discuss with you guys how you can become a profitable trader, trading forex and all of that. So before we start, I was trying to dress up, heading somewhere and all of that. So let me just finish up before we go ahead with this particular video and all of that. It's very very important, yeah. So I'm wearing this Nike. I don't know if you all consider. So this Nike, and this is not fake one, guys. We don't trade with fake ones, or we don't buy fake things, yeah. So let me just wear this, then after which I'm going to tell you how you can become a profitable trader and all of that. It's very important, yeah. So today heading somewhere, so I need to dress like a forex trader. So that's what I'm doing right now, and of course I'm going to show you guys a drip check, so that you all see how I'm looking and all of that, yeah. So I was just trying to wear the shoe. You all consider, I don't know if you can see it, so I think that fits in nicely. So I'm using these gears, and this is not a fake watch, guys. I don't know if you all have seen this. I usually wear this actually. I have a couple of them there, but this is my favorites. So it's guess how much is the price. So that's that, because I was almost done with everything. The next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm going to just tell you what are the things that you need to do in order for you to become a profitable trader and all of that, right? So with that being said, before we continue, we have to go to my trading area where I actually trade forex and all of that, so that I can just tell you one or two before I proceed, or before I go out and do whatever I want to do for the day, right? So with that being said, guys, let's go over there. I will tell you everything that you need to do to become a profitable trader. Yeah, okay, guys, we are here now. So the very first thing that I have to share with you guys when it comes to profitability in this forex industry is know a type of trader you are. What do I mean by that is, we have a whole lot of different type of traders here in the forex market. So we have swing traders, we have scalpers, we have day traders and all of that. So swing traders are those who actually trade on a bigger time frames and hold their trade for days, weeks, and even months, right? So those are the people that we call swing traders, whereby we have those we call day traders. So day traders, they have a specific time frame, or they have a specific session that they usually take a trade, or that they usually trade in the market. So let's take for example, now you trade New York session as a day trader. So whenever time it's New York session, you come into the market and look out for a setup, execute the trade. Then after New York session, you are no more trading again. That's what we refer as day traders. Then there is scalpers. Scalpers come into the market. They usually trade lower time frames. They come into the market, execute their trade maybe on 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute, any smaller time frames actually. That's where scalpers do execute their trade, and they hold this trade for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, at maximum of maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and thereabout. So those are scalpers. So you identifying which type of trader you are, it will play a very big role when it comes to profitability in the forex industry, because it will enable you to trade at that particular time in the market, right? Because say for example, I'm a swing trader, no need for me to come in and be trading 5 minutes, 10 minutes and all of that. There's no need for that, right? Because I'm a swing trader and I will only look out for a setup on a bigger time frames, such as maybe 4 hour, 1 day, even 1 hours and all of that. So that's swing traders for you. But if you are a scalper, you already know that you just check 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame, scalp the market and get out of the market and all of that. That's how scalpers do. So it's actually helpful when it comes to profitability in the forex industry. So another thing that I have to share with you guys, when it comes to profitability is, you have to know your risk appetite. What do I mean by that? you have to actually understand how many percent you are risking on this particular account and how many percent you are going to be making, when it comes to like risk to reward ratio. You have to understand that aspect as well. It's very, very important, guys. You have to understand that. So you understanding risk to reward ratio, you understanding the percentage you are risking, and all of that is very important. So if you trade maybe 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, definitely believe me, you are not going to be profitable. So the least you should be going for is 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, but you can go and make your research about risk to reward ratio, about risk management and all of that. It's very, very important, because there is a whole lot of videos, articles and all of that about risk management. So you can just Google it or, check it out, man, and read it out for yourself. It's very, very important, right? So the next thing I have to share with you guys, if maybe you are new to forex trading, is how much do you have and how much you bring into the market and all of that. I know money doesn't matter actually, but your capital matters when it comes to like if you are risking, if you are trading by risk management and all of that. Say you are risking 1% on each trade, then you have $1,000 account. So 1% on $1,000, of course, you know how much is that? That is like, is it $10? That's 1%. 10% is $100. Yeah, 10% is $100. So definitely, that's not much. That's not much. I don't know if that's correct. Do the math by yourself. My brain is blocked from mathematics and all of that. So do the math for yourself. Yeah. So whatever it is, if you are risking 1% on your on your $1,000 account, compared to if you buy proprietary firm accounts, you are not going to be making any much more money and all of that. Meanwhile, with that $1,000, you can actually get up to $150,000, in challenge and all of that. So another thing that I have to share with you guys, maybe if you are trying to like start up forex trading and all, is you have to actually know about prop firms. You have to know about prop firms, because knowing about prop firms, it will actually enhance or it will actually maximize how much you are making in the forex market. All right, so you have to like look at it this way. If you are trading $1,000 account, you're not going to be making as much as if you are trading $150,000 account, right? Because 10% on $150,000 account, I think that's $15,000. You can see that. Then 5% of that, $7,500. So you can see now if you are trading your $1,000 account and trading proprietary firm. So knowing how to trade prop firm will enhance your profitability in the forex market as well. It's very, very important. So yeah, I don't want to waste much of your time, guys, So these are the few things that I have to share with you when it comes to profitability in the forex market. So with that being said, I'm still Israel the Trader. Thank you very much for watching this video today. And for more videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is very, very important, guys. Follow us on all our social media handles as well, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and all of that. Just follow us, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers, man.